Oh. Grand opening! The woodshed is officially going to be opening July 18th, and all of you are invited. Anybody and everybody who would like to attend and help me celebrate this giant fun adventure I've taken on, then I would love to have you here. It should be a pretty good time. We're going to have a custom brewery brewing up some special beer, music, food. Of course, there's going to be other makers here that you can socialize with and other content creators, local and from across the U.S. The place is kind of a wreck right now because we are working our tails off to get this up and going. It's going to be completely transformed by the time you make it here. If you come to the grand opening, you'll be able to actually see the Logasol chainsaw mill in person, the shaper unit in person, the giant Macromona bandsaw mill should actually be operational and in the back making up some slabs. Also, if you come there, I'm going to be doing tons of giveaways. So far I have like Triton and IsoTunes, Type Bond, and Armor Tool, but that's just the starting point. There's also going to be tons of other content creators coming in from across the US, but I think I'm going to keep their names secrets and give you a little bit of suspense. It's going to be an all-day event, so if you can only make it in the morning or in the afternoon, then feel free to stop by whenever you're able to. The giveaways are going to be happening all throughout the day. All right, if you can't tell, I am very excited about this. I really hope that you can come out and help me celebrate on July 18th. I hope to see you then. No, I can't do backflips.